buzzed in, got through this door. Here is the hallway. There's a few hostels in this building and we're going up to the second floor. All right, so these are your typical elevators. Fits like 2 people. There. There's one there, and this is ours. Hi friends, it's me, Simply Sherry, and we are here in Madrid. We just came off of an 11.5-hour flight. Before that, a 6-hour wait in the San Francisco airport and another 2-hour flight from Phoenix. So Phoenix to San Fran to Madrid, because our flight was canceled from Phoenix to JFK to Madrid, so they routed us to San Francisco. So anyway, we made it. I'm going to show you the first place that we're staying at, which is a hostel, Hostel Castilla. Okay, so let me start with this nice balcony. Okay, so when I booked this on Expedia, I wasn't sure if we were gonna have a little bit of a balcony, but here, there's the name, Hostel Castilla. And then we're on Calle Atocha, and there are a few hostels in this building. I guess you can open up this window to get a clearer view. There. I love this. I love like not so hotel type, you know, like your typical traditional hotel, and just feeling like you're part of the neighborhood. Okay, and then let's go here to the room. So like it's you can either have a double bed or 2 twin beds. So since I'm traveling with my daughter for her high school graduation, we chose to have twin beds. We'll be staying in 3 hotels, so this is the first one, the hostel. Then we'll be staying in 2 nice hotels for the next couple in Madrid, and then another one in Barcelona. But I was excited to get this, use my Expedia points. So here are the beds, and then there's the balcony there. There's a little TV here, which I'm pretty sure we won't use. Then it definitely has air conditioning, and here is the remote that goes there. The lady was really nice. She showed us, and there's a this card, which is for the street, the door to the street, the door to the hostel, and the door to this room. So it's the same thing. Okay, and there you have your plug, and I'm not sure which. Oh, this is a little bit. Oh, this looks like a twin bed, and then this is a little bit larger. Okay, so yeah, I guess it's a regular bed. Oh, well, we're here for 2 nights, and then that's our luggage. You got a little seat here, which I could put my laptop there, but you got some coffee, and here's the closet. Okay. And if you want, you could probably put luggage up there too. So here's the closet. Oh, got some extra blankets. All kinds of hangers. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, it does have a safe. Then there's a full-length mirror here. Here is the light switch to the bathroom. Okay, and then so I chose this because it had good reviews on Expedia, and for the price, I just didn't want to go to a $200+ hotel for 2 more nights, since that's what we're doing for the rest of our trip. So I just wanted to save a little bit of money here, but it still had great reviews. So there, hair dryer. What is this? You think this is for the soap? Yeah, that's for soap, okay. And it's clean. It's a nice sink. So I feel like the sink, the toilet, the shower area is nice. Okay, and then you got 2 towels here. Nice wallpaper, textured wallpaper. And then, yeah, you open the shower door there from the corner. Yeah, I think this was a good choice. And then from the bathroom here, you can see the flooring. And I'll just span the room just to show you, like, it's just I guess you call it an efficiency room in other places. Just enough for you to lay down your head after going around Madrid. Okay, hope you enjoyed this quick and short tour of our room in Madrid, and we are going to get ready, wash up. Pardon my appearance, but this is what you get after like almost a whole day of traveling. Okay, take care, see you in the next video. Bye.